All Manipur Students' Union Amsu observed its 61st Hunger Marches Day with unfurling of the organization's flag at Pishum Chingamacha, followed by floral tributes paid to martyrs who laid down their lives during student movements. Carrying photographs of the martyrs, a large number of students took out a procession, shouting slogans against price hikes by non-local traders and demanding strict implementation of NRC before conducting census. The rally culminated at DM University campus, where a public gathering was held. Amsu reiterated its demand for detection, deletion and deportation of foreigners who entered Manipur after 1951, citing agreements signed with the government in 1980 and 1994. The event was attended by former leaders including former Amsu President Samon Budhi and KH Gaurashyam, Presidential Committee member KC Hemabati, Universal Mothers Organization President Moirangthem Sarojini Lema and current Amsu President Bruce Pebam, among other dignitaries. Addressing the gathering, Amsu President Bruce Pebam said updating NRC should be prioritized given the prevailing situation in Manipur, including the challenges surrounding the resettlement of IDPs. He said the student body would not accept activities related to the census before NRC is updated. Bruce Pebam also appealed to the people to stand united and work towards restoring a peaceful and united Manipur.
Ngasi maksu hirai pagiram da masida thoi ba thodo wa thoksi ngasi kulma thoi suba hubuma thoi suba salang khongsan lakpat amuk hana Amsu gi mitop khodok pagi philep adu retare tori madudi 1980 masum 1994 da Amsu skok amadi Manipur lenga bharat lenga awno yanakhiba 1951 na karo beser orakanda irai pa iram da masdagi mitop sing detect to godabni deport to godabni Amsum delete to godabni haiba masi khongjang ngasi Amsu ju hanbalai giroi amasum hauji tawdu laita da ba film masida khogi resettlement policy ma chap chana bhat lenga amasum Manipur lenga na IDP singi sinba ngamdingai cherak asida lainari ba film asida mikok thibagi pot ama lakpa ase masina Manipur da mangjabagi phibam lakpa amasum masigi haujiki laiba phibam ase delimitation tawgiba tarabadi Manipur da yamna justice phangdabagi mawongda laiba khogi whole political setup se kairakadabna maram oirakanda mitop mawong tana khanoktriba makhai mikok thiba natrakanda na masigi census ki report se matam kara hold tawbirakanda laipak sigi khogi primary objective oiriba haujik shanti hanjin hanba amasum lairiba khogi internally displaced persons singa se masam mayumda hanlakanda